Akucaci ngengqungquthela ye-ANC yokhetha ubuholi e-Eastern Cape njengoba imiselwe isikhathi esingaziwa kulandela isinqumo sesikhashana senkantolo ezivimbe ukuqalwa kwale ngqungquthela kuze kube iqembu lixazulula ukungaboni ngasolinye ngaphakathi emagatsheni. I-ANC inikezwe igunya lokuthi isedlulise lesinqumo. Lolu daba kulindeleke lulalelwe enkantolo kusasa.
We have received a communication after we've been in engagement with national and all the structures, and we had to convene a PEC to inform them that HQ Secretary General has decided that he will put the conference in abeyance until matters before the courts are concluded and all issues that needs to be concluded are concluded.
Kusenjalo inkantolo ephakeme yaseLimpopo isichithile yaphinda sikhipha ohlwini lamacala asenkantolo isicelo esiphuthumayo samalungu e-ANC sokuvimba ukubanjwa kwengqungquthela yokukhetha ubuholi eLimpopo. Inkantolo ithe ummangali uBasil Mabasa akalandelanga imigudu efanele ye-ANC yokuxazulula izinkinga zangaphakathi eqenjini. uMabasa unikele enkantolo esola ngokungahanjiswa ngendlela kwemhlangano egatsheni le-ANC kuWard 10 eMalamulele ngaphansi kwesifunda iCollins Chabane okwaqokwa kuyo isithunywa ezazizothamela le ngqungquthela. Uthe le mihlangano yayingahambisani nemigomo yeqembu. Bobabili ummangali nommangalelwa bazosikhokhela bona izindleko zecala.
The ANC has a dispute resolution process which is bound by the ANC constitution as well as this document which was adopted on the 29th of July 2024, which I believe is the guidelines on dealing with the ANC internal process.
Ubuholi be-ANC eLimpopo buthi buzibophezele ukuxoxisana namalungu angagculisekile.
As the African National Congress, we also still want to appeal to our members that our doors are open ajar. If they want to raise any issues with us, we are here, we are their elected leaders, and we think we still have got capacity to resolve their issues.
Ingqungquthela ye-ANC eLimpopo yokukhetha ubuholi iyaqhubeka kuze kube yisonto.